What is time travel? Before we discuss time travel, it's essential to understand what time is. A scientific perspective. In modern physics, time is considered the fourth dimension. While we move freely through the three dimensions of space, our movement through time seems fixed, always forward, at a constant rate. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that time is not absolute. It can bend, stretch, and even slow down depending on factors like speed and gravity. Yogic perspective. Yogic philosophy views time as a construct of the mind. In a deep meditative state, time becomes fluid, an illusion that can be transcended. Ancient yogis described time as a cycle, with no beginning or end, much like the universe itself. Time travel in science. Einstein's theory of relativity. According to Einstein, if you travel close to the speed of light, time slows down for you compared to someone who remains stationary. This is known as time dilation. Near a massive gravitational object such as a black hole, time moves slower because gravity bends space-time. This means that forward time travel is theoretically possible. For instance, if you travel in a spaceship at near light speed and return to Earth, you may have aged only a few years, while decades may have passed on Earth. Wormholes, shortcuts in space-time. Scientists theorize that wormholes could act as bridges between 2 points in space-time. If one end of a wormhole moves differently in time than the other, it might allow travel to the past or future. However, wormholes are purely theoretical and would require exotic matter, negative energy, to keep them open. Quantum mechanics. In the quantum realm, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, seemingly defying time as we know it. Phenomena like quantum entanglement suggest that time and space may not be as rigid as they appear. Time travel in yogic philosophy. Ancient yogis have long hinted at the ability to transcend time through profound meditation and mastery over the mind. Here are some key concepts. The mind as a time machine. In yoga, the mind is seen as a tool that perceives time. When the mind becomes still, time ceases to exist. Yogis describe this state as turiya, or the fourth state of consciousness, beyond waking, dreaming, and deep sleep. Through practices like samadhi or intense meditative absorption, one can experience a timeless state where past, present, and future converge. Astral travel. Yogis believe in astral travel, where the subtle body separates from the physical body and can traverse vast distances, or even move across timelines. Ancient texts like the Yoga Vasistha and the Mahabharata describe sages traveling through different eras, observing events without physically being there. Time dilation through meditation. Similar to Einstein's theory, yogis suggest that time moves differently in higher states of consciousness. For example, a yogi in deep meditation might feel like only minutes have passed, while hours or even days elapse in the physical world. This aligns with the idea that in higher dimensions, time flows at a different rate. Is time travel possible? A combined approach. Scientific possibility, forward time travel. Relativity makes it theoretically possible by traveling at near light speeds or near massive gravitational fields. Backward time travel. Wormholes or quantum mechanics might hold the key, but practical implementation remains far from reality. Yogic possibility. Through meditation and mastery over consciousness, yogis suggest one can access timeless states and gain insights into past and future events. Unlike scientific time travel, this is not about physical movement but altering perception and tapping into the universal consciousness. Stories of time travel in history. Scientific accounts. The twin paradox. This thought experiment demonstrates how astronauts traveling at near light speeds could age slower than their twins on Earth. Modern experiments with atomic clocks on high-speed jets have shown slight differences in time, proving time dilation. Yogic and mythological accounts. In the Mahabharata, King Kakudmi travels to Brahma's realm seeking advice for his daughter's marriage. When he returns, centuries have passed on Earth. The Yoga Vasistha tells of sages experiencing different timelines during deep meditation. Challenges and ethical considerations. Scientific challenges. Energy requirements. Traveling at near light speeds or creating a stable wormhole would require enormous amounts of energy, far beyond our current capabilities. Paradoxes. Backward time travel raises questions like the grandfather paradox. What happens if you change the past? Yogic challenges. Achieving the states described by yogis requires years of disciplined practice. It's not about technology, but mastering the mind and transcending the ego. The experiences are subjective and may not align with the physical laws of time and space. Conclusion: the fusion of science and yoga. While science explores time travel through physical theories and technology, yoga approaches it as a journey of the mind and consciousness. Both perspectives offer profound insights. Science shows us that time is not rigid and may be manipulated under certain conditions. Yoga teaches us that time is an illusion, and by transcending the mind, we can access timeless states of awareness. Ultimately, time travel may not just be about machines or meditation. It could be the perfect union of these two approaches. If you enjoyed this exploration of time travel, please like, share, and subscribe for more content that bridges ancient wisdom and modern science. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring.